Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, it's not only going to be an update video, but it's also going to be a bit of a booster pack opening video as well. So to start off with the updates, first of all, new desk, as you may already see. I'll posted the full laptop station thing in my Discord channel. Second update is we have some fancy new microphones for the video recording, so hopefully the audio on this is a lot better quality recording. Third update is the Mage archetype is very nearly out. I am in the process of having all 50 designs completed, and I'm working on getting them on the Game Crafter, ready to purchase and proof. So that's really looking forward to that. The next update is I've been working on something a little bit like this. This is just a prototype at the moment, but it's basically going to be like a profile booklet for like a specific character, the skill and their weapons and so on and so forth. I will be doing a how-to video on that, so keep an eye out for that in the near future, as well as some kind of attempt at booster pack. I'm going to try and get back into homemade booster pack designs as well, so I've got a lot of crap that way in the video. And then in this video, I'm going to be, because it's a Rafflecores update video, I'm going to be opening a Rafflecores booster pack, as well as these will be in my upcoming video, which I'm really hoping to get some good pulls in the Illuminant Souls ones. And then I believe I am out of product. So hopefully by then I will be doing some updates to 2.6, which I'm really interested in. So first up, let's see what we get.
Oh my God!
We've got the X-Glare Noxious Krillisian. Now this is a Skyscape special, because this artwork was from Wrath of Course 1, and there's always been a joke between a behind-head belching Krillisian and this one. I've not even got that in X-Glare, I don't think. You can see the green in the background, how it fades and blends in with this toxin that's coming out of his mouth. So that's a very good reinforced unit. Basically, what this does is, whenever the unit in front of it attacks, you may roll a die for Noxious Krillisian, and if you get a 4 or more, it deals an extra 2 damage to the opponent, so it kind of barfs on the opponent if it hits, and it's not even an assault unit, so the fact that a reinforced unit can deal damage to any other unit is really unique in its own way. Apart from that, for some reason the Game Crafter seems to put one X-Glare at the front of the pack, of a glare for the pack, should I say, sorry, or one of the two of them. Whereas everything else seems to be in order. For example, all these commons now. So we've got Holy Light, Vial of Poison, Buckshot Blast, that's one of the new ones for the Pirate archetype. So we can zoom in a bit there, focus. Tome of Knowledge, whenever you damage enemy core, you get to draw a card. Chest Keeper, that's another Pirates one. Basically, when this unit dies, you get to draw 2 cards, so it's not bad for a 1-cost unit. Trainee Soldier, classic blast from the past. Siphon Core, deal 1 damage to the enemy core and recover 1 to your health. Hellfire Dragon, which is artwork from the original Wrath of Course. Moving into the uncommons here. Skull Rock, no, I don't think I've pulled this yet, but this is actually from the Pirates archetype, so it's a 10 health defensive unit. The Assault and Reinforce units directly buff this card. Each gain 1 health while this card is currently in play. So, so usually the Reinforce unit, such as the Noxious Krillisian, usually the Reinforce is the card which offers a buff to the Assault unit, which would be in front of it. However, the fact that we've got a defensive unit can buff as well. Not only does it buff the Assault unit, but it also buffs the Reinforce unit in between the two of them. So it is pretty pricey, and normally defensives run on a 2-to-1 health to cost ratio, but you know, it's got this pretty cool ability here where it buffs the 2 units in front of it. So I do like the artwork on that card as well. Siege Cannon, Anglerfish, you can just see its face down here, it's covered up by the box. Another Krillisian, the support Krillisian. Whenever the reinforced unit survives an attack, recover 2 health back to it. That's pretty cool. Another Krillisian. This one's coming from a filler set. For every other Krillisian you have in play, this unit gains 1 attack. So very good in a Corellisian deck. Maximum 5. Then we've got, this is one of our rare units, which is Barbaric Orc. This has come from the Rathagos 1, the beta set. Whenever this unit rolls a 6 in battle, you may have it deal another 6 damage to an enemy unit currently in play. So when you get cards like Reroll, which is a card from the filler set, you can, if you don't roll a 6, you can try your luck again and try and put first another 6. Then we have got a royalty rare Blazing Mage Maria. Now I do not think we have Maria, because I was looking through my big folder in the update videos and the card next to it was Kira. So it's really nice that I have pulled Maria. She's a royalty rare, 3/5, and she says, whenever this unit attacks and rolls a die to hit, add that value to this card's attack for the battle phase. So even though 3 base attack is quite low, if you roll a 6, she suddenly becomes 9/5. So yeah, that's a very powerful mage unit to have. Then our art piece is the corner. I've got a feeling we've got that one, but I really do need to go through them. And our last player is actually another X-Glare Blood Tree. We do have X-Glare Blood Tree somewhere in my folder. However, we have actually pulled, that does mean we have pulled 2 X-Glares in this pack. Wherever I've put the thing. So here we've got an X-Glare Blood Tree. So I mean, really, these should both be at the back of the pack because of the way, but for some reason Gamecraft puts one at the back and one at the front. I'm not entirely sure, but we did get some really, really good cards there is in this booster pack. So commons and uncommons aside, we have actually pulled some pretty powerful cards in this deck, in this booster pack. So we've got the Noxious Corellisian and the Blood Tree. In the X-Glare, that's 2 really powerful cards. Maria being a royalty rare, and then the Orc, Barbaric Orc, which is a big, heavy damage dealing unit. So all in all, this is a very good booster pack. I would say at least an A tier booster pack opening. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think of this booster pack opening, and be sure to leave a like. It's always respected when you do so. Anyway, guys, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.